Do you find tofu boring and tasteless? Well, not with me, it ain't. Keep watching and I'll show you how to make Heidi style spicy tofu. Hey, so glad you could chill with me today. If you're a first time visitor to my channel, take a moment and click on the subscribe button. I'm Heidi and I'm raising the heat on this recipe. The full list of ingredients for this and all my other recipes are in the respective description box below. Make sure to check it out. Let's get started. I've already prepped the veggies. Rinse the tofu and place on paper towel and pat dry. Cut into squares and pat dry again to ensure as much moisture is removed. Take each square and drench in cornstarch until it is all coated. Heat a small fry pan with half cup of oil and add the tofu. Be careful not to get burned. This is my tools of the trade fry pan, which I love a lot. It's quite handy in the kitchen. Keep the flame on medium to low heat. Flip the tofu to ensure it's fried evenly and there's a light brown color. Take them out and drain on paper towel. After you've finished frying the tofu, put up a pot to hot. I'm using this Tefal non-stick pan. It's another of my favorite utensils. The tea in the center of the pan changes color when it gets hot. That's how you know when it's ready. Isn't that cool? Okay, now you're going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add the garlic and stir. Then add in the onions to flavor the oil. And finally, add the veggies. Cover and cook for about 2 minutes. Give everything a good stir. Add in the tofu. To get the beautiful color on the tofu, mix the ketchup, soy sauce, hot sauce, and water in a bowl. Now add this to the pot and stir everything until it's well coated. Add salt to taste. This dish does not require too much salt because of the salt content in the ketchup, hot sauce, and soy sauce. Now break up the red chilies over the pot and add the sugar to balance out the flavors. Cover and cook for about 2 minutes again. You can also add ginger paste for more heat and intense flavor, but you could do that at the beginning when you're adding the garlic. I preferred not to use that in this recipe at this time. It's as easy as that. You can also add mushrooms to this recipe. Remember, you can adjust the hot sauce and chilies to your liking. This tofu is spicy and it is being served with my noodle rice and sliced cucumbers to cool the heat. So, that's it. Drop me a comment below. I would love to hear how yours tasted. Hit me a thumbs up and share with your friends if you haven't already done so.